Hello! In this lecture, we will learn how to create the reinforcement of isolated footing. So click Structure, Isolated, and draw 1.8, 1.2, 4.5 meter. Just click on Foundation, the rebar cover, Foundation 5 cm, and click Apply. Now click Section above and just 2 points, and double click on Section 2. This is the footing. Just select, click Rebar. There are many shapes: M00, M01, M02. Firstly, rebar M00, parallel to work plane. So select again, and maximum spacing is 150 millimeter. So click 3D, T20 every 150 millimeter. Okay. Now open Section 2 again and select rebar perpendicular to cover. Draw this point, maximum spacing is 150 millimeter. So open 3D. So reinforcement along X and Y. Open Section 2 again. Click Rebar. If you want to change from M00 to M02, so just select all and shape M00, choose M02, hook 90 degree and 90 degree, and click Apply. Open 3D. So these are the reinforcement of the footing.